Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into amazing health tips and tricks that keep us feeling awesome every day. Today we're going to talk about something super cool and a little bit magical, coconut oil pulling. All right, imagine you have a superpower toothbrush, one that can swoosh away all the bad stuff from your mouth. Well, coconut oil pulling is a bit like that. It might sound funny, but this ancient practice has been used for centuries to keep our teeth and gums super healthy. So, what exactly is coconut oil pulling? You take a spoonful of coconut oil, yes, the same one you might see in your kitchen, and swish it around in your mouth like a mouthwash. You do this for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's kind of like giving your mouth a little oil bath. And guess what? While you are swishing, the oil is working hard to pull out all the nasty stuff that can cause bad breath, cavities, and gum problems. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about the awesome benefits. First, coconut oil pulling can make your teeth shiny and bright, almost like a magic. Imagine having a smile that sparkles like a star. Also, it helps get rid of that yucky morning breath we all dislike. Think of it as a super fresh start for your day. But wait, there's more. Coconut oil pulling doesn't just help your mouth. It can also help your whole body feel better. How? Well, by removing harmful bacteria from your mouth, it can help reduce the chances of getting sick. It's like having a tiny superhero fighting off the bad guys every morning. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do coconut oil pulling, step by step. We'll talk about why it works, share some cool tips to make it even easier, and explain why coconut oil is so special. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe your favorite drink, and get ready to learn all about the power of coconut oil pulling. Remember, taking care of your teeth is just as important as taking care of the rest of your body. Let's discover how a little coconut oil can make a big difference in your health. Let's get started. 1. Oral health boost. Coconut oil pulling helps remove harmful bacteria, reduces plaque buildup, and promotes healthier gums. Coconut oil pulling is like a refreshing breeze for your mouth, sweeping away bacteria and leaving your gums feeling rejuvenated. It's like a mini spa session for your teeth, helping to reduce plaque buildup and promote a healthier smile. Give it a try and let your oral health shine. 2. Whitens teeth. Naturally, experience a brighter smile as coconut oil gently lifts stains and brightens your teeth without harsh chemicals. It gives a brighter and more radiant smile. It's like a natural tooth fairy working its whitening wonders. 3. Freshens breath. Say goodbye to bad breath, as coconut oil pulls toxins and bacteria from your mouth, leaving it feeling refreshed. Coconut oil pulling is your secret weapon for fresh breath that lasts. It's like a breath of minty coconut air, sweeping away bad odors and leaving your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. Say goodbye to morning breath and hello to confidence that speaks volumes. 4. Soothes dry mouth. Coconut oil's moisturizing properties can provide relief for those experiencing dry mouth symptoms. Coconut oil pulling is like a sip of hydration for your mouth, soothing dryness and restoring comfort. It's like a moisturizing hug for your gums, providing relief from discomfort and leaving you feeling revitalized. Embrace the natural nourishment and say goodbye to dry mouth woes. 5. Reduces inflammation. Enjoy the anti-inflammatory benefits of coconut oil, which can help alleviate gum swelling and discomfort. Coconut oil pulling is your gentle healer, easing gum swelling and discomfort with its soothing touch. It's like a calming breeze for your oral health, reducing inflammation and bringing relief. Let coconut oil be your ally in the battle for healthy, happy gums. 6. Supports oral hygiene. Incorporating oil pulling into your routine supports overall oral hygiene, complementing regular brushing and flossing. Coconut oil pulling is your smile's daily guardian, enhancing your oral hygiene with every swish. It's like a supportive friend, complementing your brushing and flossing routine for a complete clean. Embrace this simple yet powerful practice and let your smile shine brighter. 7. Promotes healthy gums. By reducing harmful bacteria, coconut oil pulling supports gum health and may reduce the risk of gum disease. Coconut oil pulling is your defender against gum troubles, reducing harmful bacteria for healthier gums. It's like a shield, protecting your smile from the risks of gum disease. Trust in coconut oil to keep your gums strong and your smile vibrant. 8. Improves oral pH balance. Coconut oil helps balance oral pH levels, creating an environment less conducive to bacteria growth. Coconut oil pulling is your oral pH whisperer, restoring balance for a healthier mouth environment. It's like a harmonizing melody, keeping bacteria at bay and promoting oral wellness. Embrace the natural rhythm of coconut oil for a symphony of oral health benefits. 9. Nourishes oral tissues. The natural nutrients in coconut oil can nourish and protect your mouth's delicate tissues. Coconut oil pulling is your mouth's nourishing treat, feeding its delicate tissues with natural goodness. It's like a gentle hug for your oral health, providing nourishment and protection. Let coconut oil be your mouth's best friend, keeping it healthy and happy. 10. Holistic wellness. Embrace a holistic approach to wellness by incorporating this simple yet powerful oral care practice into your daily routine. Coconut oil pulling is your holistic wellness partner, adding a touch of natural magic to your daily routine. It's like a wellness potion for your mouth, promoting overall health from the inside out. Embrace the power of coconut oil pulling and unlock a healthier, happier you. How to do oil pulling. 1. Start with a tablespoon of organic coconut oil. 2. Swish the oil around your mouth for 10-15 minutes, pulling it through your teeth and along your gums. 3. Spit out the oil into a trash can, not down the sink to avoid clogging. 4. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. 5. Follow with your regular oral hygiene routine of brushing and flossing. And there you have it. Coconut oil pulling is a natural, effective way to promote oral health and overall well-being. Try it out and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.